Hey there, English learner. Imagine this. You are in class or in meeting, even talking to your friends, and suddenly you hesitate. You are not sure. You should say, I go, I went, or even I have gone. The awkward moments when grammar went in your way, we have all been there. But guess what? You don't have to feel this way anymore. Today I will show you the ultimate beginner friendly method to master your grammar without getting overwhelmed. By the end of this video, you will have everything to build your solid grammar. This is your moment, so let's make it count. I want to introduce you to someone, Vaibhav, a 16 years old student who want to speak English fluently but felt stuck. Every time he tried to learn English grammar, he felt like he was drowning in the sea of rules and expectations. One day during English test, he felt freeze. He couldn't decide if the sentence is she go to school or she goes to school. This embarrassment of this moment crushed his confidence. But instead of giving up, Vaibhav decided to make a change. He realized that grammar isn't about perfect, it's about progress. So he created a system, starting small and building step by step. And within a month, Vaibhav went through hesitate to speaking confidently in the school. If Vaibhav can do it, so you can. So let's break down exactly how Vaibhav transformed his grammar skill and how you can too. Step 1. Start small and master the basic. Don't try to learn everything at once. Begin with most common used tenses like present simple, I play football, present past, I played football, and present future, I will play football. Once you feel confidence with this, move on the other complex tenses like present continuous and past perfect. Step 2. Learn through stories, not rules. Here is the trick. Don't remember the grammar's rules like subject plus verb plus object. Instead, learn through example and stories. For example, yesterday I walked to the park. Today I am walking to the park, and tomorrow I will walk to the park. Connect grammar to your real life story that matter to you. And number 3, practice every day, even for 10 minutes. Use tools that learning make interactive like Duolingo, games, or even writing your journals work wonders to you. Write about your day in English. What did you do today, and what are you doing right now, and what you will do tomorrow. Step 4. Speak, speak, speak. Speaking is the key. When you learn some new grammar points, try to practice it loud. For example, if you learn about past tense, so share your story about a weekend. Don't worry about mistake. This is the proof that you are learning. Step 5. Stay consistent and celebrate your progress. Set a goals. 15 minutes of grammar practice every day. Track your progress and celebrate your every small wins, like making a perfect sentences or understanding a new tenses. Picture this, from now 6 months later, you are speaking perfect English and sharing your thoughts confidently and surprising everyone with your progress. That dream is closer than you think. All it takes one step today, one sentences at a time. So what's your first step? Choose one tense and practice their sentences by using it. Share your sentence in the comment below so I will personally review that sentence. Don't let overthinking stop you. Action beats fear every time. And if you feel this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to join our English community learner. I upload weekly tips to make learn fun and achievable. Remember, the sooner you start, the faster you learn. So let's make it together. You have everything you need to start now. Remember, grammar is not a roadblock. It's the path to fluency. I am here to guide you every step of the way. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. Thank you.